Hello guys, it's me, MG Production, after a long time, and today I'm gonna unbox 3 packages which I got before Christmas, and these are 2 CAC packages and 1 MinifigCo package. And I'm gonna unbox the oldest one, and it's this Chromic custom package which I got a few months ago, this nearly before Christmas, and this one also on the same day as this package. So I'm gonna put these aside, gonna start with this one. Open it, and I got a few weapons, 2 rocket launchers, 1 commando pistol, and 2 Mandalorian blasters and 1 Mandalorian pistol. A cloth piece, and more cloth pieces. Next up are a bunch of helmets. I can't open them. First up are these Tiger Shark pilot helmets, which are pretty epic, I think. Then we got these pilot helmets, which also are really great. Then we got this 91st Annexus Trooper helmet, which I'm gonna use for a commander or MinifigCo. Then the Rocket Trooper helmet, which I also use for MinifigCo. This Snow Trooper helmet. This Snow Trooper helmet, I think it's Shiv called. And this Snow Trooper helmet. I don't know which his name is, but he was in his company from Shiv. And this Shadow Trooper helmet as this Shadow Trooper helmet. And 2 normal pilot helmets in phase 1, which I use for my normal Lego version, because the pilot helmets look way much better than the Lego version. Yeah, so we're gonna start with the next one, and it's Garth Saxon. I ordered this figure because why not? And I must say, this figure looks pretty nice. Just look at the helmet. It's just wow. Also the jetpack is pretty nice printed, and the arms, just overall, this figure is pretty good. Then we got Jarvan, and I ordered this figure because the Lego version is not so good, and this Chromic custom version is way much better, so I ordered this one. Here it is. For him are the cape and the this cloth piece. So yeah, at the end I'm gonna put all the cloth pieces to the belonging troopers and have an overview from all things I got. Let's put it there. And at last, from this package I got ARF Trooper Tiger Shark. Sorry about that. And yeah, overall this is also a pretty good figure, and maybe I'll use it in the mock. when I build one again. Yeah, pretty nice figure. Also the helmet, just wow. The helmet is pretty much the highlight of this figure. And with the cloth pieces, like the camera and this cloth piece, just perfect, I think. They match perfectly. So that was it for this package. Now I'm gonna go to this one. So there's a lot of stuff in it. I ordered 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got the squad pack, Omega squad, and I got 4 times Omega Shadow 18, and I use it as Omega squad because just look at them. And featured the 360-degree printing, which I waited for a long time, and now it's finally here, and I'm gonna show it to you. Here we are with the anti-armor Commander Blaster. Just wow. Pretty damn nice figure. Come on. And I got the one with the 2 commando pistols, which are not accurate, but I have a lot of commando blasters which I don't use, so I'm gonna give him one of these. Next up is the 3rd member of Omega Squad, and he got 2 commando blasters. Okay, that solved this problem. So we got commando blaster, and he's got a commando blaster, and the last one is the sniper of Omega Squad. So here we go. Also, they come with the printed backpack, and yeah, damn nice. Next up, okay, a helmet switch, I think. Pretty fun. Oh damn, the visor's broken. Shit. Yeah. Yeah, the comet body, and yeah, it's finally broken. Shit. There's that. I'm gonna do the helmet switch, I guess. So there's Chromic I ordered. I don't know, the helmet. He's just kicking in. Look at him. It's a perfect figure. Then I ordered Captain Vaughn, as you may noticed. Sadly, the visor's broken. I ordered an extra one for free from Comet. I'm gonna put him on Captain Vaughn for now. Here we go. And I got a bunch of extra blasters. And next up it's Super Jesse. Come on. Come on. There we go. I ordered the normal DC-15 and a rocket launcher for him. And don't worry, I also got the glove. And last up are a bunch of helmets. And they are gonna play a role in the next, from the next package. Because I ordered 5 helmets of the 13th Legion. And I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of the 5 of first helmets. And Commander Apple helmet and the Lieutenant helmet from the Legends comics from the Dark Times series. As you may notice, I'm a big Legends fan, so I'm gonna build this figure within the next package. And I also got this brown Macro Binocular for my Commander Bly, and this one for 5 of first figure. Here we go. So that's it for this package. Now I'm gonna open this, the MinifigCo package. So I'll open it. First of all, oh nice freebie. I got the Team C body in the Christmas pullover and a sticker. Very nice, thanks for that. Put it here. A sticker. Yeah, ordered at Black Friday or something like that. I got an October sticker, okay. And business card, very nice. I collect them. And the main reason for this package, a lot of nice buddies. Oh no, my camera. This side. Put this aside. and I ordered 5 of the 13th Legion bodies, which are very nice. Here we go. A little color difference, but I guess I will work it out. Here we go. The 5 first bodies. 7 of them. So now I'm gonna pause and then I make an overview from all the things I got and put on the cloths and heads on these so I can put the helmets on them. And I make a cut right now and then I'm going back right back to you. And I'm back now, and yeah, I put the cloth on all figures and put 2 heads on the bodies. As you can see, I do not recommend to buy the Chromic Customs 13 Legion helmets and put them on the MinifigCo body, because there's a color difference. If you don't want to paint the helmets or the body, you should not buy them to put them together. I must try to paint the helmet because the color difference is too big. When you want to use them, it just don't look good at all. I tried it. I haven't seen anybody done that before. Focus, please. Thank you. And yeah, so that's it. Do not recommend to buy them together as to put them together. So there's that. But overall, it would be quite nice if the color difference wasn't so big. But you can have it all, I guess. There's the 5 first body and this Chromic Customs helmet. It looks pretty nice. It looks a bit weird because the helmet has no better scratches as the body, but hey, that's not a bad thing. I can easily put better scratches on the helmet. That's not a problem, as it's with the 13 Legion clone trooper. But it looks very nice. And as you can see, I put the lieutenant helmet on it. Just nice. Put the cloth on Jesse. As you can see, it quite fits him very well. And yeah, I put the cloth on the Jarvan. And on ARF Trooper Tiger Shark. Why I keep saying Shark? I don't know. And there's that. And I focus, please. Thank you. And have a focus. Thank you. I put this on a Lego figure. The body is quite nice. Christmas board on it. Very nice. And focus. Keep focusing, please. So there's that. And yeah. So that's it for this video right now. I hope I'm gonna do more videos on YouTube and be more active on Instagram with mocks and other stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna do at the first January week, sorry. My English is not the yellow from the egg. And I'm gonna do maybe a mock in the first January week. And yeah, that's it from me, and may the force be with you.